Alright, so here it is, the Irrigation Specialist Toolkit. I still haven't opened it all the way up. I opened the top of the box just to see a little peek inside, but I haven't actually opened any of the tools yet. You can still see that they're all in their boxes here. So let's go through it. We've got a pocket digital multimeter. Now I can imagine this is going to be on my side door of my van actually, because I'll grab this real quick to get out to go do some real quick testing. I can definitely use this. This will be awesome to have on hand. Let's go ahead and open up the boxes, see what they look like in real life. Nice little carrying case, and there we go. Now, I don't know if any of this stuff came with batteries. Let's see. Maybe there's a pull tab, or I'm using it wrong, which is entirely possible. There we go. Had to hold the button for long enough. Sweet. That's one of the things. Let's go to the next biggest thing here, which is your multimeter with true RMS. Oh, this is going to be great. Look at that. Looks just like a Klein, but it feels a lot nicer. You got your clamp meter. That will allow you to do milliamp readings on 2-wire systems with this, as long as you can. Yes, you can. Milliamp right there. This is an irrigator's multimeter, because you're going to need this if you're going to be doing some 2-wire troubleshooting. If you don't want to be cutting the wire everywhere, using the clamp makes that a lot easier. Now I heard something fall out here. Oh, the batteries do come with this one. I won't be putting them in yet. We're not done with this little bag here. Here's our leads off to the side, which, if I'm being honest, that's a nice little thing there, but most of us are going to leave it connected, wrap it up in our multi. In fact, I'll do that right now. And there, that's how I'm going to typically keep my multimeter. We'll keep the instruction manual in here in case there's something I don't already know about this. And there's the multimeter. The full-size multimeter, and then you got the pocket multimeter here. There's that. We've got Palladium Tools is what's helping them create all of these hand tools for us. And I'm gonna love this because I can't tell you how many times I have a flathead screwdriver but not a Phillips head, or I don't have a 1/4-inch bit. That's gonna be a little bit larger. Yep. That's gonna be very useful. All right, we'll go with the wire strippers. I didn't bring anything to open these with, so we'll just do it. Hopefully that lock's not in place. It is. Maybe we can open up another one. There. We'll open up these first. These are your single profile cable cutters. We'll go ahead and open these up, and then that will allow us to use this tool to open up the rest of them. Now look at how sharp that is. Geez, that's sharp. Then maybe we'll cut it from down here. Those feel nice. We got those, and then there was these. So let's open these up. It's like little scissors. I hope I have enough memory on these glasses to record the whole thing, but I really did want to record the whole opening this up and checking everything out. For all I know, I'll be fast forwarding through this part right here. Probably will, because it's taking me way too long to open this package. Well, the packaging is top notch, Tempo. Got it. We got the 3 most common hand tools you're going to use for any kind of a wire troubleshooting or a low voltage electrical troubleshooting. These feel very solid. I like the idea that they come with a pair of wire cutters. The wire strippers, these are cool. I like the idea that they're bent to the side like that. Now, I guess I don't know if that would matter if you're right-handed or left-handed. I'm a righty, so this would actually work for me. I like the angle that these are at, so that's different than what our typical ones would be. And of course it's spring-loaded, which is very helpful. Some people don't like that. I do. There's the hand tools there, and of course you got to have some needle nose. All right, and then last but surely not least of the tools, the Station Master. I've used this tool for the longest time, since the beginning of my career. I learned on this tool. This is a fantastic tool. What does it do? Well, it'll allow you to check if a solenoid is good or not. It'll also allow you to turn on the solenoid from the valve box instead of from the controller. This will help you to test a few things out in the field. It's also a toner. So if you connect it to a wire and go to a valve box with this half of the tool, you should be able to pinpoint which one of the wires that this half of the tool is connected to. I have another method of doing this using a tracer, a wire tracer, which is why you don't see me using this too often. The other reason why you don't see me using this too often is because I didn't already have one of these on my truck. I have a version of this by a different manufacturer, but I didn't have this on my truck, and now I do. I'll be using this for sure. And of course, the handy dandy tool belt that all this stuff goes in. This thing is built solid. This is awesome. Let's go ahead and pack it with all of our, well, we never even opened this up. Sorry guys, didn't even get to show you what this looks like. There she is. Need a couple of batteries in her. And then, it's actually been so long since I've had one of these, I forgot how I packed them. Let's see, we'll go like this. It doesn't really matter. There you have it, all put together. It's got a nice little handle so you don't have to strap it to yourself. You could just carry it around. I imagine you can figure out a way to attach this to a bucket, because I know some people are very fond of having their bucket with them so they have a place to throw their trash as they work. Even if you didn't, it's a nice utility belt. This would hang off the side. It comes with these tools in it. There is plenty of room. It doesn't come with the tape measure, but there's a clip for one. Doesn't look like you're hanging a shovel from this, which is probably why it didn't come with a shovel, because you can't fit a shovel in this. And if you're going to be out in the field as an irrigation specialist, you should already own a shovel before you get to specialist level. That's why this doesn't come with a shovel. The other thing that came up in the comments when I posted about this is, why doesn't it come with channel locks? I actually spoke to the manufacturer about this, and the channel locks they would have made with Palladium wouldn't have been as good as the channel locks that you could go get from Channel Lock, and the price point would have been different. Go get yourself some real channel locks, toss them in this tool bag, and you'll be good to go. And if you're interested in getting one of these yourself, check out your local distributor. I'm not going to say what the pricing I saw online was, because I'm sure it was wrong. So reach out to your local distributor. This is a nice set. It's worth every penny. That is the Tempo Irrigation Specialist Kit with all of these things in it. Now I got to clean up my mess and go put this on the truck, get some batteries in it, and put it to use. Thank you, Tempo. And it already has its place in my truck. It can just go right here. Easy to grab that. Man, I already had one of these over here, and I do use this one in the field. This is awesome. Excuse my mess, guys. I'm working out of the truck here. But that's freaking awesome. All right, on to the next one.